Hello, good morning, and welcome. So today we're going to be unboxing the Microsoft Surface Headphones 2, and here they are. And so, yeah, these guys are basically replacing the original ones. So yeah, let's just go ahead and dive right into the unboxing. See if I can do this time. All right, and there we go. All right, so as we can see here, it does come in this nice carrying case. So this is pretty cool. Basically, if you're going to be on the go, you can both store it and charge it in the case. It does come with here, you can see the USB-C cable as well as the auxiliary cable, 3.5 millimeter. So it does have both. You can use it with the cable if your battery is dead. Other than that, here are the headphones. So these are pretty cool. They do have these dials on either side for you to control volume and noise cancellation. These are somewhat similar to the Surface dial that came out with the original Surface Studio as far as look and function. Outside of that, we've got the everyone's favorite pack of pamphlets and stuff like that. So that's about it. How to pair, use it, apps, all that good stuff. Does work with a personal assistant, so pretty straightforward. Nothing too fancy there, nothing too unexpected. And alright, so we can see here is the website. It gives you the overview. These are the Surface Headphones 2, up to 18.5 hours. They do cost $250 and they come in light gray and matte black. So here is the dimensions, the weight, the exterior. You can kind of browse through this briefly. It does use Bluetooth 4.1, 2, and 5, I believe, for connectivity, as well as the yes, here we go, as well as the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. All right, well, that wraps up the quick unboxing and overview of the Microsoft Surface Headphones 2. They are available at Microsoft Store and other retailers, starting at $250, and you can often find them on sale as well, especially now with the holiday season coming up. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.